Welcome to this video, where we're going to explore the educational trainers of the hydraulics and pneumatic sections available in Automation Studio. If you are interested in learning about these systems in a practical and safe way, this video is for you. In the educational trainers of hydraulics and pneumatics, we find documents with everything ready to carry out practical examples and learn how to configure and simulate different systems. These trainers allow us to represent the connections to the inputs and outputs of our components, as well as study their behavior. Today we are going to present two examples, one of a hydraulic configuration and another of a pneumatic configuration. In the educational trainers of hydraulics, we have illustrated hydraulic components that we can control manually to focus on the mechanical mechanism of hydraulics. We also have practices that allow us to control the hydraulic system electrically, using different types of buttons, switches, and solenoid valves, which are the same valves controlled by solenoids. Likewise, these same practices exist for pneumatic systems, where we can assemble the system simply for mechanical control and electrical control. As mentioned before, the connections can be represented in a curved form, allowing the connection to be moved as desired, or we can also represent them using straight lines. In this example, we have a simple system that allows the extension and retraction of the cylinder by operating the directional valve. As we can see, all the components are illustrated to facilitate learning and understanding of the system. We can also modify components by unlocking the layer and inserting new components. The educational trainers of hydraulics and pneumatics have different types of configurations and components for various systems. This allows us to study and simulate a wide range of scenarios and conditions, providing a deep and practical understanding of these systems. For more information about the Automation Studio software, we invite you to visit our website. Thank you very much for watching this video.